How to fix TikTok analytics not showing. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open TikTok app on your phone. Then go to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on privacy. As you do that, you will enter to this page and you have to turn off the toggle button for private account. Scroll down and tap on comment and make sure it is in everyone, and so on to every other features. Make sure everything is to everyone. Then you need to go back to the profile and tap on 3 horizontal lines again. Tap on settings and privacy again. So tap on account now. Tap on switch to business account. Tap on next. Tap on next again and then tap on next again. Now choose your category. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on next. Now again you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on business suite, that is second option, and on the very top you will see analytics. So that is how you can fix TikTok analytics not showing. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.